some question are given. Question is that x square is equal to 5 plus y square is equal to 5 plus x. What is the value of x? How to find the value of x and y? Let's start how to solve this question. Question is that, see here, first of all, into question x square is equal to 5 plus y. This is equation number 1. Second equation number, y square is equal to 5 plus x. This is equation number 2. Let's see here next step. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Let's equation number 1 telling that x square is equal to 5 plus y. Equation number 2, y square is equal to 5 plus x. Let's minus. Here x square minus y square is equal to 5 plus minus cancel. See here y minus x. X square minus y square plus this comes this side x is negative comes this side positive, this positive comes this side negative is equal to 0. See here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. That formula is a plus b into a minus b. Use this formula in this place. See here, x plus y into x minus y, and next step this, write this here, plus x minus y is equal to 0. See here, x minus y, take common, x minus y into x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here two equations are arise. First of all, x minus y is equal to 0, first equation. Second equation, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. See here, in this form, x is equal to y, means that x is equal to y, This is equation number 3. In this next step, see here, solve this equation. X plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. From equation number 1 telling that x square is equal to 5 plus y. Equation number 1 telling that x square is equal to 5 plus y. Therefore, x square is equal to 5 plus y is equal to x, because from equation number 3, this side will be written as x square, 5 comes this side minus 5, x comes this side minus x is equal to 0. After according to arrange, x square minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is in the coordination form. See here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 5. Coordination formula is that x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Put the a, b, c value. Minus b value minus 1 plus minus root under b square means minus 1 square minus 4, a value 1, c value minus 5 divided by 2 into a value 1. See here next, minus plus 1 plus minus root under b square means 1 square 1 minus 4 minus 5 means positive 20 plus 20 divided by 2. Therefore 1 plus minus root under 21 divided by 2. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus minus root under 21 divided by x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here x value came. X value 1 plus minus root under 21 divided by 2. After that, next step, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus y minus 1. From equation number 2, telling that y square is equal to 5 plus x. Therefore, y square is equal to 5 plus, in place of x, see here, x is equal to minus y minus 1. Therefore, minus y minus 1. Therefore, 5 minus y minus 1, y square. Therefore, y square is minus, y square minus 4 minus y is in this side plus minus, this come positive, y is equal to 0. Y square minus y square plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, y square plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. According to coordination formula, y is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is equal to b value 1 minus 1 plus minus root under b square means 1 square minus 4, a value 1, c value minus 4 divided by 2 into a value 1. After that, minus 1 plus minus root under 1 square 1 minus plus minus minus plus 16 divided by 2. Therefore, minus 1 plus minus root under 17 divided by 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 17 divided by 2. Here y value or x value 2. See here, x1 y1. x1 y1 value is x1 1 plus root 21 divided by 2. Second, y1 value minus 1 plus root 17 divided by 2. Second value x2 y2. See here, x2 value 1 minus root 21 divided by 2. Second, minus 1 minus 17 divided by 2. This is x1 or x2 value, y1 y2 value. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.